the base is out there. According to that sign that we shot up last night. You felt that before.
That rim went a quarter mile.
Don't worry, it's backing you up.
Dang.
That was huge. Oh my god.